I think the first thing that any PR professional can do to actually bridge the gap of building a campaign which needs perception management from the lens of policymakers, or where you think the policy paradigm is super critical, is to first understand that this is going to be a complex paradigm. It's more complex than managing a vanilla PR campaign, which requires you to do something where media becomes your primary stakeholder. I think the first thing we need to understand is that here your stakeholder is the government, and then also within the government, which is the government you're speaking to, which is the critical stakeholder you want to influence, and then who is the right person to influence them, right? So for example, if it is to be done through say MSMEs, if that's the voice that you think will be heard by the ministry you're talking to, or if it is a specific cohort of influencers who you need to reach out to, I think so it's very important to understand that this is going to be something that's more nuanced and something that will require you to first understand who your stakeholders are, and for your stakeholders, who are the influential lot. I think that segregation is super important when you're doing a policy campaign vis-a-vis a PR campaign. Typically, PR campaigns have been hard to manage because all brands have struggled with what is the business value that a PR campaign gives me, and why it should not be an overhead cost, and why it should be a part of a P&L, right? That's a long-standing argument. I think partnership with marketing and has helped PR kind of showcase tangible value, right? Of what it brings to the business. I think similarly, policy is a complex paradigm, like I said, and it's hard to demonstrate what is the net value. I think it's very important to, in the beginning, set that as an objective. What is the bigger picture? Why is this policy change, or why is this policy important to the business, right? Important to the industry that I'm a part of. I think as long as your objective is very clear, I think your outcome measurement becomes far easier, because a lot of times policy changes are a slow burn and they're very hard to quantify. So I think if you set out your objective clearly, I think the outcome becomes far more easier to explain to your stakeholders. But yes, there is no specific, I can say 2 metrics which can say, oh, this is great policy work that you've done, because like I said, it's typically a very long tail investment that you need to make, and it requires you to be very patient, because it's not just about 5 stories or 10 articles, right? It's far more than that. It could be 1 article which could change the narrative for you completely, or it could be 100 articles which do nothing. So you can't really measure policy the same way you measure PR.